Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a practice executable for CSGO.
So that we may be free.
So that when you do it, all the bots go away and everything, and then you can practice smokes and stuff. And I'll be teaching you how to do that right now. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open your file explorer and locate where your CSGO files are. So for me, it's F, Steam library. It's all the same, it's just what drive you choose that'll be different. So wherever you installed your game, F, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Counter-Strike, CSGO, CFG, and this is the file, or the folder that you want. So the next thing you're gonna wanna do is open Notepad. I have Notepad++, but I'm just gonna use Notepad because I know not everyone has Notepad++, even though it's free and you should probably get it. Alright. So what you're gonna wanna do is, in the description, I left all of my config settings, my practice config settings, which will look like this. I'll just run through this really quick. Cheats on, that's easy. Limit teams, I guess there's 0 teams. Max money, you have 9,999 money. I can put it more if I wanted to, but you're not gonna run out. Start money, blah blah blah. Okay, buy time is forever. You can buy anywhere. You can have 5 grenades instead of 4. You have infinite ammo. It kicks the bots, and then it ends the warm up. These are all my grenade. This one, it'll show the grenade trajectory. I'm a little stuffed, don't worry. So after you throw it, it'll leave behind a trail, and it's for 10 seconds, and I'm actually gonna make that 7 because I find it's too long on 10. This is, I'll hit P after I throw a grenade, and it'll throw that same exact grenade, so I can stand where the enemy would be and then hit the button, and that's what the grenade would look to them, and it's very useful. Before you even throw the grenade, when you're holding down left click or right click or whatever, it'll show you the path. So I'm actually going to show you how to make a toggle bind, because I know some people find it very, very hard and confusing. So I'm going to bind this to F3. So I'm going to go, I just want to make it toggle, so I'm not always looking. Before I throw the grenade, there's not always a trail there, and sometimes it can mess up my throws. So we go bind, whatever key you want, F3, and then you go toggle. So it's saying toggle whatever comes next. So toggle this command, and I want to toggle between 0 and 1. Okay, anyway, this is my bind for, as I said it disables my HUD and view model, so I can get some nice shots of the landscape and of the map and stuff. So, and this one's an even more complicated toggle bind. It goes, F4 is bound to whatever in these, which is toggle whatever next, which is draw HUD between 0 and 1, and then semicolon, which will link these two commands together. Toggle the view model between 0 and 1, and that's it. This, it'll show where your bullets hit. This restarts the game, and then it'll say practice config enabled, and that's how I know it's done. And so what you're gonna want to do is save as, and so I mean, you can, I guess you don't have to open it like this, but I just wanted to show you where it was. So you're gonna do the same thing in here. You're gonna go F, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Counter-Strike, global offensive, CSGO, CFG, and you're going to want to save it as just delete whatever in the file name. And so you can say prac for short. I just go practice. I don't know why. But this is what you're gonna type in the console. So don't make it very long. Prac or practice or prac, something. So, and then name it and then hit .cfg. And then I come down here and just do all files. And so it's saving as a CFG called practice. Hit save. Now if we open up this, we're gonna see 2. So where's P? We have prac, we have practice. I'm actually gonna delete practice because I made some adjustments to the other one. So now I have prac. And you're done. So next thing you're gonna want to do is open CSGO. Alright, now that we're in CSGO, hit play. It'll probably look like this. Yep, because you're on official. We'll go to practice with bots, go to no bots, and make sure it's on competitive, but not on official, you know, and pick the map you want. I'll do Inferno and hit go. Choose your side. I always choose T. No, there aren't any bots. So open your console, and if you don't know how to open your console, go to settings, game, enable developer console. Yes. And just always have that on when you play. Do exec, saying execute the next whatever I write. And so exec prac, hit enter.
Let's do this.
You'll see everything will change, and at the bottom it says practice config enabled, and that's exactly what we wanted. So buy your shit. Sorry, buy your stuff, and you're good to go. What I was talking about earlier was about the grenade preview, which is like this thing. So yeah, it starts off, it's disabled, and then when I hit F3, it turns on. So my toggle works, and that's good. And I'll show you the HUD thing, which is my F4. I can get some pretty nice shots of stuff, and you know, the bomb site and all that jazz. One more thing I do want to mention about this is a jump bind. You're gonna need a whole lot of jump binds in CSGO when you're throwing smokes and stuff. So I like to, I'll just put it right in. Actually, I'm not gonna put it in my practice. I'm gonna show you how I make a jump bind. I don't know why I was gonna put it in the practice one. That's just not the right way to do it. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make a jump bind. So I'm just gonna go into a practice, no box, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna join T side, and first I'm gonna execute, oops, what did I do? I'm gonna execute my practice file, just so the timer is long.
Let's get these parties started.
And now,
Here we go.
I don't know. Now what I'm gonna do is open my command prompt, my console, and so first my jump bind is N, and I'm gonna unbind N. So now whenever I hit N, nothing happens. So I'm gonna show you from scratch. So you're gonna go bind whatever key you want to quotation mark plus jump semicolon minus attack semicolon. And that's it. That is a jump bind. Alright guys, that concludes the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you know how to make a jump bind and a practice executable file. And I hope it wasn't too hard or confusing. I tried to make it as simple as possible because I know there's probably a bunch of videos out there explaining all of this. I tried to do it. like also in depth, but pretty quick as well. So I hope you liked it, and I am making a Inferno smokes guide. I'm actually going to be going through all the like most popular maps: Mirage, Dust, Inferno, Nuke, all of that. So yeah, I hope you learned something, and links are in the description for all of the my practice CFG file and the jump on. So yeah, peace out.